Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to introduce a brand that's very new to me, and I think a lot of you haven't heard of the brand. It's not a luxury brand, but they work with factories that make bags for Gucci and Saint Laurent and things like that. And the brand is called Last Brand, and I have purchased their cognac colored tall Italian leather tote for $99. Now it sells for $119. This company does not know that I'm doing a video about them. I really wanted to introduce this brand to you guys who are kind of into the luxury fashion and bags just like I am, because I've been really impressed with the quality, and the price point is also fantastic at $99. So the company is based out of San Francisco as far as I know, and like I mentioned before, they work directly with the factory, so they're trying to eliminate the middleman like the department stores or the brick and mortar kind of stores, and kind of do a direct factory to consumer kind of purchase. So are they not only less expensive than most of the leather luxury leather brands that you see out there, but also they keep a very low stock of each item that they carry. So it might take a little bit longer for you to get the item, but I've been really loving this bag that I got. So that was a little bit about the brand. Now I'll give you a little bit of tour of the bag itself. So here is the tall Italian leather tote. This actually fits my this actually fits my 13-inch MacBook, and I believe it fits about 15 up to 15-inch MacBook as well. You can see it's really tall, and I like that because it hides a lot of the content that I carry in here pretty well, unlike some of the other totes that are a little bit lower and you put a laptop and it tends to stick out and stuff like that. So I think this is perfect for a work tote. Design is pretty simple. There are no logos, which I absolutely love. The leather is grained. Just see if you can capture a little bit closer on the. So there's actually not a line in the middle. It looks like that on camera, but this is really not visible at all to human eye off the screen. And inside, let me take some of the junk that's in here. So in here, it's very simple. It is unlined, so has kind of the suede raw leather kind of feel to it, but it is smooth. It is not the unlined leather bag like the Saint Laurent ones, so it doesn't scratch easily or anything like that, which I also love. It has a D-ring, so if you have a pouch that comes with a hook, you can hook it up here, and it does have one zippered pocket in the back here. It is a pretty simple bag. There's not big bells or whistles or anything like that, but I love that the glazing matches the color of the leather and the stitching as well. See, I can show this a little bit more to you. So you can see the stitching matches the color of the bag, and the glazing is brown, which is beautiful. And the corners are tucked in to the bottom of the bag. So that's what the bottom looks like. It doesn't come with the feet, but I have carried this with me when I traveled to New York a couple weeks ago, and it has done really well. It's not overly heavy or anything like that, and I'm very excited to kind of find out more about how this is going to wear. But given that this bag only cost me $99, now they have had a $20 price increase, so now it retails for $119. But even for that price tag, this bag is definitely made better than some of the other leather bags that I see in the market. I was thinking to get the Madewell Transport tote, but I really did not like how the leather felt. It looked kind of cheap, and the fact that it scratches so easily, I wasn't a fan of that. But this bag, basically scratch proof. It'll probably wear a lot better over time, and the stitching is perfect, and by no means does it look inexpensive alternative. So I am a huge fan of this. I think maybe next I will get the black tote. They also have several other models. They have the vegan leather tote. They have a tote that's kind of sideways, so instead of the tall size, it will be virtually the same size but sideways like this, just like the Neverfull that I have. They also have crossbodies and things like that, so I will link them down below. So hope you guys enjoyed this short and sweet kind of video, and let me know what you guys think about the brand. Share your thoughts down below. I'll see you guys in my next video.